In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and access Secure Folder on your Samsung device. By setting up the Secure Folder on your phone, which is protected by the Samsung Knox, can keep your photos, videos, files, apps, and data to be more secure and private. To get started, go to Settings, scroll down and choose Security and Privacy. Then choose More Security Settings, tap Secure Folder, then tap Continue, and then it will need your permissions on the following data. Tap Continue and wait for it to create a secure folder. And when it's done, it will ask you to select which lock type would you like to choose to protect your apps and files. You can choose either a PIN, password, or pattern. For example, you have chosen to use a password. Select password and then create your own password. If you wish to turn on reset using your Samsung account, choose turn on. Otherwise, choose cancel. Go back to your home screen and you can see that an external app called Secure Folder had been created. To add the files on the Secure Folder, just tap on the plus sign and here you can choose which apps or files you would want to be added on the Secure Folder. And when you're done, just select Add. You can also customize the name, color, and the icon of the Secure Folder on your Samsung phone by tapping on the three dots right here. Choose Customize, select your desired icon design, icon color, and icon name to personalize your Secure Folder. And when you're done, just select Apply. The changes had been saved, and now you have created a Secure Folder on your Samsung phone.